Mira. Toma. Eso. Mira. Toma. Pero muchacho. Toma, pues. Toma. ¡Epa! Toma. Mira, ya vienen las otras. Ya va. Ya va. Toma, pues. Toma. Ya va, mi amor. Toma. Toma un pedacito. Ya.
This is Oka. Say hi, Oka. Oh, good job, Oka. Yes, I'm talking about you. Oh, you give me some kisses. Oh, thank you. He's about 60. You're 60. Yes, you are. Cockatoos will live a very, very long time. He's been here for ages, and we absolutely love him. He was also one of my dad's very favourite animals.
This is Oka, and this is Lady, a male and a female cockatoo. You can tell the boy one, he's got black eyes, and the girl one, she's got red eyes.
And he's an absolute icon. Aren't you, mate? Yes. Now, Oka, he's probably the best sulphur-crested cockatoo in the world at doing the jump. Watch this. Ready? Ready? Oka, jump! Oh, wow. Round of applause for Oka. You're very handsome. You're very handsome. And he knows when I'm telling him that he's handsome. Okay. All right. Good boy. Okay, bye. Bye-bye.